So you're planning on visiting an island called Ios. And if you're like me and don't really know what to do or where to stay, I got you covered. Over the next couple of days, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes with me whilst we're exploring this island with a bunch of other legends. So let's kick off with the place that we're staying. So for the first part of the trip, we're going to stay at a hotel called Agaya. This place is only 5 minutes off the port where you get dropped off from the ferry, and this place is insane. This hotel is also owned by the same guys who own Caillou, but more to the hotel later. For now though, let me give you guys a tour because this place is ridiculous. I'm actually shocked how many pools this one room has, so let's check out how many we actually have in total. All right, so we have pool 1, pool 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and pool 11. Every part of this room slash hotel is incredible. I mean, right now I'm standing in this, I don't even know, open air bedroom with loft huts around me with a view that is probably the best one I've seen in a hotel so far. I mean, what the heck. But enough of the tour, time to meet the others. We have Natasha here who's organized this trip. Make sure to check her out. What's the vibe today?
What is the vibe? Okay, so we are going on a boat tour. Boat tours in Ios are really important because there's certain beaches, the most beautiful beaches, that you can only reach by boat.
So we just got onto the boat. I think we have 3 or 4 hours on this boat right now, trying to see as many cool spots as we can. This is gonna be epic. Let's go. So we just arrived at this bay, which is pretty secluded. It's called Picre Ero, I believe. Excuse my pronunciation, but it is gorgeous. It's a nice little bay surrounded by white rocks. We're just gonna try to find a spot to anchor and then we hop into the water. This is gonna be the best spot on this trip so far. This place is called Tripiti, and it's a bay that's surrounded by these white rocks. And I think this is the perfect spot to fly FPV here. Maybe we're gonna chill here for a little bit, go a bit of diving. Hopefully we're gonna see some fish. I don't know, I'm just stoked to be here. Let's go. Yo, this was insane, but what do you think?
This was heaven. We're in heaven. Greece is the best place in the world, specifically Ios.
You heard what you said. Now, before we continue with this video, I quickly want to introduce you to Artlist, who are the sponsors of this video, and they just released a new function which I personally believe is almost too good to be true. Let's check this out. So Adless just released a new AI voiceover feature which allows you to create custom voiceovers with ease. They actually have a huge library of different voices to choose from, ranging from docu-style voices all the way down to upbeat and trending styles. Let me give you the perfect example how I use the voiceover function for my edits. I've recently worked on a project where I needed a copyright-free voiceover for my edit, and all I had to do was write up the text that I needed narrated, and with the click of a button and some AI magic, I got this as a result.
At the southern tip of the Australian continent lies a remote island, an immense wilderness divided by mountains. It's a world of ancient forests, of pristine rivers, and a coastline that is both wild and beautiful.
Pretty crazy. You can now sign up for this AI feature as its own subscription, or if you sign up for Artlist Max, and if you opt in for an annual membership through the link in the description, you get 2 months for free. Thanks so much Adless for sponsoring this video, and now it's time to head back to Greece. On EOS they have so many cool beach clubs, and currently we are here at Puffles, which is one of them that you definitely have to check out. We're on top of a hill overlooking the entire Ionian Sea. Their food, their drinks, their music is incredible. It's just a vibe to be here, to be honest, so check this out. Decided to last minute hit town because EOS is obviously known also for the partying scene. Despite us not being really here for that, gotta give it a shot. Silent disco, here we go. This was great. I didn't expect this to be that much fun. I do have to admit though that it can get quite crowded in there, particularly in July apparently. We're here in June right now, so it's still off season. But I think it's nice to have it at your disposal if you feel like partying like that. But it's also very nice to do the stuff that we get up to on this trip. So let's continue with that. So today is all about capturing this insane hotel. As you know, it's pretty big, and the fact that we have 3 suites combined, it's even bigger. So that makes it obviously very hard to come up with an idea, but I think we get there. Well, today was interesting. We were shooting pretty much all day at the hotel, which was pretty insane. We got some absolute bangers, as you just saw. Now we're just trying to chase sunset. We're going to a place called Dracos Taverna. As you can tell, it's already quite exotic, and apparently they have amazing local seafood.
Acorde e corre pra ver a cor do mar. O sol já tá pra nascer, vai clarear. Acorde e corre pra ver a cor do mar. O sol já tá pra nascer.
So we just touched base here at the Calo Hotel, which I said is the partner hotel of the Agaya, and this place is even crazier. I know, hard to believe, I get it. This resort is actually right on the beach, which is quite nice, and their rooms are pretty insane as well. But before I show you the rooms, let's check out the spa. So as you can see, the place is looking absolutely insane. Maybe even crazier than the other one. I'm keen to hear if you think that's the case. We're just going to explore a bit more of the property now, seeing what's the vibe. And then later today, we're gonna head onto a boat again because we're gonna explore a place called Never Bay. This place is known for the cliffs, as you can see around me. You can cliff jump from here, and they have some beautiful caves that you can go and visit. So if you are after snorkeling or just after having a good time, make sure to check this out. It's around 20 to 25 minutes away from the port, depending on where you're obviously starting from or who you're going with. A bit of downtown of Ios. It's pretty much the village that's on top of the mountain, and apparently they have some really good food here. We're just surrounded by white buildings and it's quite windy, and this place also turns into a party capital at nighttime at least. So during the day it's actually quite nice to stroll around here and hopefully we find some good food. So the place that we're at here right now is called Kaburis, and we just received our first entrees, which is a Greek salad with figs and filo wrapped feta cheese. It's so simple but so freaking good, and this place is right at the beginning of the party town pretty much, so just when you're about to ascend the hill. And we're just getting started here, but the food is just next level. So for the main, we ordered roasted lamb with diced potatoes, and the smell when he brought it over, incredible. I mean, you could just smell it from miles away pretty much. It is super simple, but yet so fresh, so delicious, and we're about to jump in.
How flavorful.
It's so flavorful. It's soft, it falls off the bone. It's spiced right. This is probably my favorite meal I had so far on this island, for sure. And the potatoes. We're just about to wrap up our trip here in Ios, and we thought it would be a great way to finish off this beautiful trip by hiking on top of the mountain here. On top of the mountain you find a beautiful church, not only one but also two, I believe. It's a great spot for sunset and just to see how gorgeous this island is. I'm just gonna get the drone up in the air now, and then it's time to say goodbye. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go.